In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make these two offset planes and then how to create each sketch in the appropriate plane so we can use these three sketches to create a surface loft. So first, I'm going to Control Tab back to my other open blank document. So first, I'm going to select the front plane, then from Reference Geometry, select Plane, and I'm going to create two offset planes. I'll set the number to 2, 4 inches. I'm going to go the other way. They're fully defined. I'll accept that. So first I want to create my first sketch in the front plane. I'll select it, look normal too, then I'll come back and tell it to create a sketch here. I'm going to start with a center line. So I'll create my center line. Then I'll use mouse gestures to activate line. I'll sketch this line, the angle. I want to watch, I don't want 45, so I'll make sure I don't get that. Come up here, click, and then I'm going to stop. I'm going to window select all of this geometry and tell it to mirror. Because I pre-selected the center line, it will mirror about that. Then I'll use mouse gestures to activate Smart Dimension. Select this line, click to place the dimension, and I'll set its value to 1.5 inches. Then I'll come up here and select these two entities, move out and click. Add the 30-degree dimension. I'll select this line. It's 0.325. And the distance from here to here, I'll click it's 2 inches. So everything's fully defined at this part. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to choose 3-point arc. I'm just going to click here, here, move up and click. Again, use mouse gestures to activate Smart Dimension. Click to grab the entity, click to place the dimension, and its radius is 5 inches. This sketch is fully defined, so I'll right click and I'll exit the sketch and I'll leave its visibility on. Now I want to make a very similar sketch in plane 1. So I'm going to select plane 1, activate sketch. Again, I'm going to start with the center line. Just draw a line right over the previous one. Use mouse gestures to activate line. And this time it's essentially the same shape, just slightly larger. So I'm going to push escape. So I'm going to window select these entities, tell it to mirror, and it's automatically mirrored again because I selected only one center line. I'll activate Smart Dimension from mouse gestures, and now I'll dimension these. This is 1.75. Again, my angle is 30 degrees, and this is 0.325, and the distance from this line to this line is 2.5. I'll use the 3-point arc again to go from here to here and up here to click, activate Smart Dimension, and this radius once again is 5 inches. So this sketch is now fully defined. I'll right click and exit it. And then my final sketch will be in the plane 2. So I'll select it till I want to make a sketch. Once again, I'm going to start with that center line. I'm just leaving the visibilities on so that I can use them to get the rough shape. First, I'm going to roll my mouse and zoom in a bit. I'll use it to activate use mouse gestures to activate Smart Dimension, and this time I want roughly the same shape but a bit smaller. I'm going to push escape, window select the geometry, mirror it, activate Smart Dimension, and go ahead and dimension these features. So this is 1.25 inches. The angle again is 30 degrees. This side is 0.325. And this time the distance from this line to this line is 1.550. My sketch is fully defined. I'll right click to exit the sketch. I'm going to look at this isometrically and I realize, whoops, I forgot the 3-point arc. No problem. I'm going to go back and I'm going to edit the sketch and select 3-point arc. Create that 3-point arc, activate Smart Dimension, and it also is a radius of 5 inches. Now my sketch is fully defined and complete. I'll right click and exit the sketch. And in the next video, we'll make the lofted surface from here.